everyone. I am going to go over the Unit 4 Dropbox assignment, your algorithm project, where you'll be making a flowchart. This can be accessed in the OHS. You're going to go to Unit 4 Problem Solving, go to Unit 4 Dropbox Assignments, and then it will pull up your information. This project is due Friday, October 20th at 8 a.m. And when you're creating your flowchart, you want to make sure you use the appropriate symbols. So I have those here. An oval is going to represent a start and end points. An arrow is a connector that shows relationships between the shapes. A parallelogram represents the input or output. A rectangle represents the process, and a diamond indicates a decision, such as your yes or no. So for this project, you will be obtaining a flowchart for obtaining the mail from your mailbox. The flowchart can be simple or you can be creative. You never know what could happen on the way to the mailbox. There may be a spider in your mailbox. You may decide that that's not the decision you want to make right then, and you may have to change your flowchart. So I'm going to add just a quick video to help you guys, and then to access the digital materials, you're going to click on the algorithm project. Click on digital materials, and it will pull up your Microsoft Word document. There's an example on here of a flowchart for dealing with a non-functioning lamp. So if you have your lamp and it doesn't work, the next step is you're going to see if the lamp is plugged in. Is it plugged in? No. So you're going to plug in the lamp. If it is plugged in and it still isn't working, is the bulb burned out? Yes, replace bulb. No, you may need to buy a new lamp. So that's a very simple flow chart. Now you can make your flow chart simple as well, or you can kind of make it a little bit more interesting and a little bit more, have a few more steps if you have maybe situations going on as you're obtaining your mail from the mailbox. So I'm going to quickly show you how to add shapes. You're going to go to Insert, Shapes, and then you'll click on the shape you want to use. We'll use an oval. You're going to left click and drag. Now you can resize this if you need to, and you can also change the color of your shape, because this is going to be important because you want your shapes to have the same color. For example, the start and end ovals should maybe be red, and then the decisions shapes should be, your diamond should be a yellow. If you want to change the color, you can right click on it, go to fill, and then choose your color. Then you're going to go to Insert, Shapes. You're going to choose your arrow, left click and drag, and that gives you your arrow, and then you can insert your next shape. Maybe you want to make a decision. A diamond. We'll change the color. And then when you want to add text to your shape, all you have to do is click on your shape and start typing. And if you want to maybe have an arrow going out this way because you're going to do your no decision, insert your arrow, left click and drag, and then you want to put no right here. So we're going to go to Inserts, Shapes, and then you're going to choose a text box. It has the A on it. Put your text box right there. You can type no. Now you'll see that it has the text box around it, and you may not want to have that just to make it look nice and clean and neat. You're going to right click on your text box. Make sure you're in the corner. And then where it says outline, go to no outline and it'll get rid of that outline. But if you click right here, you can still see the text box, but it's not going to be visible. Okay, so that's just a few simple tips to help you create your flowchart, and it makes it super easy to insert your shapes and add your text.